Hey, I'm back, y'all. And this is after I done washed my hair and came back with the 2-strand. Y'all gotta check out the video before this because I'm telling you, I think I found a winner on my conditioner. I just absolutely loved it. It detangled it so lovely. So let me go ahead and tell you really quick what I used. So, I got some rubber bands in it too because I got some styles I'm about to create with this 2-strand. I'm telling you, y'all, you got to get the full capacity out your protective style. You know what I'm saying? Like I have my 2-strand twist, and then I say, you know what, bam, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up on them after about a week. I go ahead and let this all out. Then I take the front, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I do this, put it up, then I, do the little ball, you know what I'm saying? Have that like that, and that be twisted out. That's another style. Then sometimes I throw it on one side, that's another style. Then I say, well, after all this, let me go ahead and take it all out and wear my twist out, right? But you gotta be careful because now it's not protected. Ooh, this hair right here, it can rip easy. So I get at about a couple of days, you know what I'm saying? And then finally, I come in with my pony. Now, if you see me in a pony, that means I'm done. I wore my hair about a good 3 weeks. I've been playing with it, okay? So that's why I say start with the 2-strand sometimes because it can take you places you just don't know. But let me go ahead and show you real quick. Now, remember, y'all got to check my video out previously to see the conditioner that I'm talking about. But let me tell you what I did with my 2-strand twist, okay? Went ahead and, washed it out, got it all nice. Boom, came with that. Now, y'all know this is my thing. This is what you got to use to get the scalp and stimulated, okay? So I came with this little, smell good. If y'all ever used it, smells good. Okay, that's my leave-in conditioner. I kind of do like the lock method, okay? So that's the leave-in, right? Then I had to come back, put my oils in here. All my lovely goodness. Oils and herbs. I done put my love into this. Then I added a little bit of just some peppermint just to get my, right here. It's because this is a little bit like thinner at the top part for me. So, just made it pop just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all want to get this, please visit my Etsy shop. The link is below. Y'all can get this. There's some other fabulous things on that site too, especially my essential sprays. Y'all, it smells so good. I'm going to put the reviews up soon. But y'all gonna be shocked on all these reviews. That smell is wonderful. It's fresh and it has musk. But check it out. This is what I use. So, came back after I did my oils, y'all. Boom. Did the sweet almond milk honey, Camille rose, almond, twist butter. First time. So far, it's cool. First, I have to really see how it dries up and how it works. But right now, I like the way it feels. And y'all, listen, between my shampoo or my conditioner and the leave-in and my oil and this, y'all, ain't nothing. Oh, I smell good. Y'all, it just smells so wonderful. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and rock this for a moment, you know what I'm saying? But I just wanted to come back after the video of my little shampoo, my conditioner. Y'all gotta check it out and tell you what I just used just to do my 2-strands. So I'm all right for about a good another week, right? Well, 3 more weeks. Yep. Try not to do all until the very, very end because I don't want to pull it and start pulling my hair. Oops. Yes. All right, y'all.